Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make baked meringue. First, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and grease-free. Separate your egg whites carefully, making sure no yolk gets in. Room temperature egg whites whip up best, so let them sit out for about 30 minutes. This preparation is key for achieving that perfect, stable meringue. Begin whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy and soft peaks start to form. This usually takes a few minutes. Now, slowly add your superfine sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Increase the speed to high and whip until the meringue is glossy, thick, and holds stiff peaks. Once your meringue is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with your desired tip. Pipe small, consistent shapes onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake your meringues in a preheated oven at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. They should be dry to the touch. After baking, turn off the oven and leave the meringues inside with the door slightly ajar. Let them cool completely for at least 2 hours, or even overnight. This slow cooling prevents cracking and ensures a crisp texture. Once fully cooled, store your meringues in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. They are perfect for desserts or just a sweet treat. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.